Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a Chipotle chicken salad. All right, as you can see, I've got some chicken breasts that I halved and salt and peppered the one side that's lying in the oil now, and gonna salt and pepper the other side. And we're just looking to sear this lightly. I don't want a super big sear, just a nice light sear. Then we're gonna pop it into a 300-degree oven until it finishes cooking. And if I said Chipotle wrong, I don't care. I'm from the Midwest. It's how we say it. We fuck everything up. So just give these a little flip and pop it in the oven. All right, on to the next step. Okay, let's make the Chipotle salad dressing. In a blender, add 6 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of honey, a half a cup of olive oil, 1 or 2 chipotle peppers, at least a tablespoon of the adobo sauce that's in that jar, 2 garlic cloves, and a half a teaspoon of coarse salt and pepper to taste. And then basically you just want to blend this until it's combined. Should take roughly a minute or less. All right, let's start assembling the salad. All right, as you can see here, I've got some romaine hearts that I chopped up into bite-sized pieces. That chicken we made earlier that I cut up into bite-sized pieces, about half-inch pieces if you're wondering how big they were. And then I sliced up some porcini peppers. At least I'm hoping that's how you pronounce those stupid fucking peppers. They're right in the same aisle with the pickles. And then some green onion that I sliced up. And of course, what's a salad without cheese? So some nice Monterey Jack on top of that. And some Southwest tortilla strips. And then the Chipotle salad dressing. And that's it. Chipotle chicken salad. Done.